I'm going to talk about positive things which is started in view of corona in the MSME sector. First and foremost, because of lockdown, entire MSME entrepreneurs are sitting at home. We got the time to spend our valuable time with our family. Spend time with the children, spend time with the grandchildren, like that. It is an opportunity we never expected in our lifetime. This such a long period, sitting together in a house and spending time with our family, first time happened in our generation. This created good positive thoughts in our mind, and our mind is very clear, and we got time to do the exercise in sitting at home itself, keep ourselves fitness and happiness in the mind. Except some economic and the finance issue about the payment, all these things, that is the thing. We forget about that everything and sitting in the home. That is the reality. Because of that, our mind is clear, and when somebody is running continuously, sit some time and restart after some time taking rest, the energy level is very high. Likewise, all entrepreneurs are sitting at home, and when restarting, we can run fast. Then we can run fast than what we were running. Our mind is clear, we can take a positive distance. And this also given an opportunity for the entrepreneurs to revisit the product, find out what are the value additions they can do, what are the new product they can add upon, and how to reduce the cost and value engineering. We got a time to sit in our home and concentrate on design aspects of the product. Otherwise, in the MSME, you know very well, and it is an entrepreneur-driven industry. He is the person heading the organization, and most of the developments, everything, he is only initiating. And knowledge level will be high with compared to the employees in working organization. As a leader, he has to play a role of all. In a running conditions, you will get a lot of disturbance from customer, your workers, your suppliers. You can't make any concentration on your work. This time has given a wonderful chance to concentrate on development and R&D. Even some MSME done the re-engineering and learned how to make and redesign the product without affecting the pattern. It is only learning process. The learning process occurred in the Corona lockdown period. And some people joined in online courses and enhanced the knowledge calmly, quietly. This has also increased the ability to take forward. So, Corona has given a peace of mind and improved the health conditions, and given a energy to restart. One thing. Second thing, I am not going to discuss about what are the negative things which occurred. As on date, the Corona given a equal platform for all the players throughout the world, because before Corona, a premium product from developed countries like Europe, US, and all, predominantly used by third world countries also because of the brand demands. Even the product which is manufactured in India costing 5,000 rupees, same product they used to buy 25,000 rupees from those countries. Utility value are same only. But now because of the present economic conditions, it is difficult for them to spend more money. So our product we can able to market to those countries. This is a good chance for entrepreneurs. It's opening a new road for work. One more thing, we have to concentrate on quality. This is a time how to increase our quality, product quality, how to bar with other international product. That is more important. When you want to sell internationally, my experience, including my company, we are technically good, utility value good, fail-safe condition, but we are not concentrating on our appearance of the product and package. The two area Indian companies are failing. Those things also can be improved this period. One more thing, when cutting the cost, one bought out item also important role. Bought out item, what are the item we are buying, what is the cost of going from our annually, and is it possible for us to make that in our factory itself, adding some small incremental facilities. Those area is also one of the things. Now why I am talking all this thing, even you are going for a regular customers, they are going to ask the question after the Corona restart, how much you can reduce. So you must be in a position to offer something. You can't cut your profit. You are already in trouble. So you have to reduce the cost. That is the only thing. You have to concentrate on quality. You have to concentrate on certifications, internal certifications, EL attacks and all. You must be qualified. Then only you can able to compete. It's a wonderful opportunity. Definitely MSME can come out, and MSME got a good chance to flourish again, and we can able to double the export. And with this, I conclude this season. Jai Hind.